Hello design aspirants, welcome to Academy of Fashion and Art. Myself Rekha Kejriwal, and today we are again here to discuss all about NIFT, and I hope all of you, those who are waiting for NIFT, you must be having a lot of questions. So let's discuss all these questions and let's try to solve all your queries one by one. What is NIFT? NIFT is National Institute of Fashion Technology. It was started in the year 1986 and it awards various degrees, and these degrees are given by Ministry of Textiles, Government of India. What degrees? So these degrees are Bachelor of Design for 4 years, Bachelor of Fashion Technology for 4 years, Master of Design for 2 years, Master of Fashion Technology for 2 years, and Master of Fashion Management for 2 years. Bachelor of Design. So what are the courses under Bachelor of Design, or what you can pursue through Bachelor of Design? So Bachelor of Design, there are 6 specializations, and these specializations are: number 1, fashion design; number 2, textile design; number 3, knitwear design; number 4, fashion communication; number 5, lifestyle accessory design; and number 6, leather design. For Bachelor of Design, all stream students are eligible, but for Bachelor of Fashion Technology, only science students with PCM they are eligible. For Master of Design and for Master of Fashion Management, all graduates you are eligible to apply, but especially for Master of Design, you should have a good hold on creative fundamentals. That means you should be able to sketch well. For Master of Fashion Technology, so students with engineering as background, you are eligible. Now the question is, how many centers for NIFT? So NIFT has got 18 centers throughout India. So in whichever course you are interested, so do check which center is offering what course and do fight for a good rank. Now let's discuss what is the process of the entrance and what are the new announcements this year. So NIFT will conduct its entrance in 2 different stages. So we are talking about Bachelor of Design right now. So Bachelor of Design is divided into 2 stages. Stage 1 will include GAT, General Aptitude Test, and CAT, Creative Aptitude Test. General Aptitude Test is of 2 hours where you will have in combination of 100 questions, including your basic class 10th level maths, reasoning abilities, English, and general awareness. Generally, you have 20 questions of quantitative aptitude, 15 questions from reasoning, 50 questions from English, and 15 questions from general awareness. CAT, Creative Ability Test. So this test is of 3 hours, and here you can have 3 to 6 questions in maximum. So this test is just to judge your creative abilities, what you can draw and what you think. So all your creative fundamentals are used to present your creative ideas on a sheet of paper. And the question paper can have a variety of questions on inspiration design. For example, designing of a musical instrument inspired from some festival. It can be designing of comic strip. It can be designing of a poster showing knowledge is power. It can be designing of composition like railway station or a ration shop or a vegetable market. It can be designing of a process. For example, how to design a paper boat in steps, or how to change the bulb in some steps. It can be writing of stories. It can be grid exercise. So there are variety of questions through which you have to show your creative skills in the question paper. Because it's a national level entrance examination, so all these stages, they have got some weightages. Weightages, yes. So GAT has got 30% weightage in BDES, and CAT has got the maximum weightage of 50% in CAT. Now, after you attempt these examinations, so NIFT will announce a cutoff, and if you score more than the announced cutoff, then only you will be shortlisted for stage 2, which is situation test. Situation test will be held in the month of April, and again this test is going to have 20% weightage. So here you will get a creative question, you will get some material, and you need to create some 3D model out of the given question. Then only all your weightages will be added and your score out of 100 will be announced, and then on the basis of your score a rank will be announced, and then you will be invited for the counseling process. So this is how NIFT goes. So for rest of the entrances, for example those who are appearing for BF Tech, so your paper will be in total of 3 hours. For MFM, the paper is going to be again a complete GAT paper for 3 hours. For MF Tech also the paper is going to be the 3 hours paper of GAT. So what's new this time? So for this time, NIFT is going to take CBT, that is a computer based test. Earlier, everybody used to give a paper-based test, but this time you will be allotted a center where you will go and you will write your GAT examination on a computer screen. So questions, they are going to be visible on a computer screen. You will solve the answer on the sheets of paper provided by the examination center, and you will mark the correct answer in the MCQ. Possibly CAT, you will write it on a piece of paper, you will draw your answers, and as per the instruction either you have to submit your paper. Similarly the process goes for MDes also, but for MDes the stage 2 will be group discussion and interview. For BF Tech, MFM and MF Tech, it is going to be a computer based test only for 3 hours, where you just need to write all GAT questions. So now the point of concern is how to prepare and what to practice. So again, my dear students, if you want to see what is the actual question paper, please click the sample paper as given in the NIFT website. So they have given the direct question of the year 2022 for all courses, and they have mentioned some more previous year question papers where you can see the complete GAT paper and the complete CAT paper. So I know all of you are very much still concerned how to prepare. Start sketching today. So start sketching, observe your surrounding, do a lot of still life, do perspective drawing, do try to solve the question, do practice human figures, do speak to your mentors, do appear for a lot of mocks. That will give you a confidence that how to solve your paper, that too within the time limit. Still concerned how to perform your best during the entrance? So divide your time. Devote some time for regular maths practice. Try to take up short number of questions, for example 10 questions per day. Let it be English, let it be maths, let it be reasoning, let it be GK. Give 10 minutes for reading newspapers so that you are connected to your surrounding. Love your art and architecture so that your static GK also becomes strong. And always try to speak through sketch. If you want to express your ideas, start sketching. Even if you say that you need to drink water, please try to draw quickly and show. So this will bring you in the habit of sketching, and take up questions. Use previous year papers to solve question. Analyze it, mark your mistakes and try to solve it again. Take up various mock tests. I am from Academy of Fashion and Art. I am a creative faculty. I'm teaching from more than 15 years. So I'm telling you this on the basis of my experience, that once you start taking mock tests, you spend quality time with a question, you spend some quality time with the question, and you figure out what is the actual answer. And once it is evaluated, once some feedback is given, you analyze your problem areas and you then try to again cover up those pain points to bring some good ideas on a piece of paper. Those who are really concerned about the entrance, so being a creative faculty of AFA, myself Rekha Kejriwal, I'll be happy to help you. So if you need to approach AFA for your further practice of the entrance examination, let it be regular classroom, let it be crash course, let it be mock test, or let it be even any free consultancy, we are here and we are ready to help you. So do not forget to subscribe and stay connected for more such videos. Thank you.